What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 GMC Yukon here, and we're going to change the remote battery today. So looking at the left side of the remote here, there is a button right here that we're going to push. All right, and when we push, we can pull out the emergency key out the bottom of the remote. Okay, the reason for that is that if we look at the bottom here, now what we're going to do is we're going to use this slot here to pry up and take this back panel off. Okay, you see how I just cracked it open like that? We can just pull it right off. Okay, now there are these two slots right here that we can use just to pry the battery right out. And I'll show you what size the battery is. Got a CR2450 battery. This is CR2450 right here with the positive side facing out towards us. We're gonna put it in the bottom of the remote first, like that. Click it in, get the cover, and just snap it back on. I have a link down in the description box for a battery if you need one. It just takes you to Amazon, so have a look at that if you need one. Emergency key goes back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button and leave me a comment.